warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Do you have breakfast? You must have breakfast. There is absent today? Nobody? I hope we are always healthy. Before our lesson today, it will be nice your prayer first. So let's pray. Finish. Thank you. Today I will give topic about nervous system. Okay, before we are our lesson today, I will give you a question about the nervous system. So, what is the nervous system? Any other want to answer? If not, I will appoint one person. Today is 14th. So, who is absent 14? So, who is absent 14? Yes, you. Please answer the question. Okay, good. Any other? Any other is answer again? Yes, you. Please answer. Thank you for your answer. Thank you for your answer. Please give their applause. The great and mighty nervous system, or the brain, is most of us call it. What makes this organ unique is that within it lies the ability for humans to know oneself. This feature distinguishes and sets the human species apart of the rest of creation. This ability is known as consciousness or intelligence. So, to begin, let's look at primary function of the nervous system, purpose of the coordinate all activities of the body, enable the body respond and adapt to change both outside and inside. The nervous system actually split into two parts, the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. We'll explore the peripheral nervous system later, but let's look the central nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of two major structures. There is the brain and the spinal cord. As most people know, the brain is found within of the cranium, and the brain there is 6 sections. The 6 sections and the brain there is 6 sections. 6 sections as cerebellum, diencephalon, midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. The first section is cerebrum. This is a larger section. It is divided in two major hemispheres. There is hemisphere left and hemisphere right. And this is further divided for lobes. There is 4 lobes and frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. Frontal lobe. Frontal lobe is primarily responsible for breathing and thought. The parietal is primarily responsible for integrating sensory information. Temporal is primarily responsible for processing auditory information from the ear. The temporal is primarily responsible for processing visual information from the eye. The second section of the brain, there is cerebellum. This is section located in the back of the head. Cerebellum, it is responsible for muscles coordination, balance, posture, and muscle tone. The three sections. There, diencephalon. Diencephalon section is found between cerebrum and the midbrain. It contains two structures, hypothalamus and thalamus. The thalamus directs sensory impulse to the cerebrum, and hypothalamus control and regulation, temperature, appetite, water balance, blood vessel constriction and dilatation, anger, fear, pleasure, pain, and affection. Midbrain. There is a midbrain section is located below the cerebrum and top of the brainstem. It is responsible for certain eyes and auditory reflex. The bone is located below the midbrain and brainstem. The last section is medulla oblongata. It is lowest part of the brainstem and connected to spinal cord, and it is responsible for regulation, heart and blood vessel function, digestion, regulation, swallowing, coughing, sneezing, and blood pressure. The spinal cord. The spinal cord is the link between the brain and the nerves in the rest of the body. Okay, before I end lesson today, any question? Anyone? Okay, see you next week and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.